Prophet Muhammad ﷺ says to his companions, "The subject will reach all places the same as night and day," which means that Islam will spread to reach all places the same as night and day reach every place on earth. Indeed, today's statistics say that religion of Islam is in every place in the world. As these statistics say that by the year 2025, Islam will be the first religion all over the world according to the number of followers. This is not an exaggerated saying. With no doubt, these numbers are real, as these figures came from non-Muslim scientists. Statistical experts confirm that Islam is the fastest growing religion, and there are Muslims in all countries all over the world, but with different ratios. The question: isn't this the same as what Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said to his companions 1400 years ago? Prophet Muhammad ﷺ spoke very carefully about a scientific fact realized by scientists a few years ago. He said Allah will not hold a day of resurrection unless Arab land returns greens and rivers again, narrated by Muslims. Scientifically, it was proved that one day the Arabian Peninsula was full of greens and rivers, as satellite photos confirm that there are buried rivers under the sand of Arab land. One of the great scientists of America Space Agency, NASA, said that the taken photos for the desert had shown that one day this area was covered with rivers and lakes like Europe, and one day in the future it will back again like the past. NASA scientists confirmed that one day desert of Rab al-Khali and the Arabian Peninsula was covered with rivers, forests and animals, and they confirmed that this land will back again like the past, as referenced by the prophetic hadith. How could a man who lived 1400 years ago have known that Arabian Peninsula was covered with rivers, forests and animals, and one day in the future it will back again like the past?
يا والأجور يا مرحبا يا مرحبا
رجل شديد بياض الثياب شديد سواد الشعر لم يرى عليه أثر السفر ولم يعرفه منا أحد. A man exclusively white, dark hair, no spot or sign of fatigue and travel. None of us know him. Mysterious man. He has come into the gathering of the Rasul, and he sits with his knees touching the knees of the Prophet, and then he asks, فَأَخْبِرْنِي عَنِ السَّاعَةِ. Tell me, O Muhammad, about the hour. So he said, مَا الْمَسْئُولُ عَنْهَا بِأَعْلَمَ مِنَ السَّائِلِ. The one you're asking doesn't know more than the one who was asking. The asked doesn't know more than the one asking. الأمارات أي علامات خرزات منزومات في سلك فإن يقطع السلك يطبع بعضها بعضا. They are like beads on a necklace. When it gets cut, they will follow one after the other. The Dajjal comes. After the Dajjal, in the year, Masih comes, Isa alayhi salam. Yajuj and Majuj come. The sun rises from the west. خصف بالمشرق وخصف بالمغرب وخصف في جزيرة العرب. A landslide in the east, a landslide in the west, and one in the Arab Peninsula. A fire that will start from Yemen. The major signs is what we're waiting for. And when they pass, when Allah Rabbul Izzah wishes and understand that no one knows when judgment will come. قال سبحانه إن الله عنده علم الساعة. It is a possessive pronoun. With me alone is the knowledge of the hour.
ككبش ذبيح بذكر الإله تطيب الحياة تسر أسارير وجه صبيح